Record. Okay. See, and one more thing, just want to tell you, I missed to tell you. So this is just we are running directly with the run button, right? You can do a debug
Yeah.
mode also. You can do a debug mode. Do you know debug mode? I told you one day, but
Yeah.
not run properly. If you come to here,
Yeah.
for example, this is the same drag and drop, same drag.
Yeah.
If you come here, this is the run button. If you see
Yeah.
debug test,
Yeah.
debug test, okay? So if you click on this debug, if you click on this debug, before debugging, you can put your breakpoints. Where do you want to wait? Where do you want?
Yeah.
You just click here, it will do your breakpoints.
Yeah.
Right? Now, if you see this color is changed, it is in little bit
Yeah.
and it means it is running. So it is in debug mode. Okay, just wait for a second.
Yeah.
Debug mode means what? You can,
It's a
yes.
each line. It's checking code.
Yeah, line by line, you can execute and
Yeah.
find out what is the issue. And during the
Yeah.
debug mode, you can run any one line also. You can see what is the value in the variable also. You can watch it.
Yeah.
Literally, you can watch it, you know. So that is what. If you
Yeah.
see here, there is a watch option is there. If you see left side, there is a watch
Yeah.
option. Okay. And this is the debug console. This is called the debug console.
Yeah.
So now it is running here. Now it is running here, and this is the watch.
Yeah.
For example, now where it is in the line number 7. If you see this icon, click to add a breakpoint, right? So here the code is the execution is at this yellow line because it is a breakpoint I put. That is why it is stopped.
Yeah.
It's paused there. Now if I click this step over, what it will do? It will go to the next line.
Yeah.
Now, what is the source? What is the source? Right? This is the source, is the one variable. In this variable, what is there you want to see? For example, add to watch. So you are added this source to watch. Whenever you are added source to watch, right? You can see locator of draggable, something it is came. Whatever it is there in that, it will come. But
Yeah.
as this is something like a promise, so you cannot understand what is happening. For example, if there is a variable, and in that variable, if you are calculating some values, right? All those things you can see clearly there. That also I will show example
Yeah.
the next time. Right now, where
Yeah.
is the line? It is at line number 8. So now if I want to continue, next line, right? Now it is line number 11. Okay. Now
Yeah.
see target. This target also, if you want to see this target, right click and add to watch. You can do right click and add to watch. Got it? For example,
Yeah.
here if you go and add to watch option is there. And also evaluate in debug console. So for example, you don't want to, before the script running itself, you want to check your own whether this is working or not. Right? For example,
Yeah.
if I want to check something like this, right click, you can select copy and right click and you can do evaluate in debug console. If you do that, it will come
Yeah.
evaluate here. It means it will run here.
Yeah.
So what is the,
Then if we want to report, that's NPX, we need to run NPX, the playwright HTML. And I forgot that
no,
word.
report is already
We need to run
generated.
that.
No, report already generating. We are not seeing. We can see there. Report is already
Yeah.
generating for all what we are running because we are using the runner, right? From the runner
Yeah.
extension we are running. So report is already generating. You know where it is the report also. We saw one day. We'll see that. Okay. Now you can
Yeah.
go here. Next line. Like this, you can go line by line. Now it is in the line 14. Now it is in the,
Yeah.
now it is done.
And could I please ask one thing? Can we add test steps also? Test automatically test whatever we are writing program. Can we get any test suite steps automatically here? Is it possible?
I mean, in the result, right? We'll see that result. Result we saw one day. You remember where it is that?
No, not for the reset. We are launching a username, password, login button. Then we are going the orange. That can we then is it can is there any copilot automatically whatever program you're writing write test steps for those test suite test steps for test suite steps for those things? Is it possible? I just ask. I don't know because it's Orange website. We are adding username, password, click login button, going to that page, check dashboard. So we cannot manually write. User need to enter it manually. Is it possible? Copilot when we give one program,
Exactly.
ask
Exactly.
for that.
Exactly. So you mean just you want to give the prompt to the Copilot to automate that login or whatever it is, right? You want to just give the prompt here. Okay. Hey,
No,
Copilot.
no, no. Automate our test steps. No,
Our test
can you
steps.
give me
Our test steps you want to
test
automate.
steps? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that is we can do. That is we can do. That is using
Yeah.
the MCP, Model
And
Context Protocol. Okay, model context protocol that we can do. For example, in my this file, if you see this, what is this? Eraser, right? Initial day I mean, first day itself we saw this. In this eraser, if you see the first topics we discussed, you remember I given MCP in
yeah.
syllabus also, MCP.
Okay. That's for the
Now currently,
writing steps. Okay,
yeah,
got it.
currently I'm using Gen AI tool, which is Copilot, right? GitHub Copilot.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
now just only one Copilot, only one tool I'm trying to explain you. But we can, if you are
Yeah.
interested, we can show how to use the Anthropic's Cloud code also, how to use the some other OpenAI related codes also. We can use any other Gen AI tools also. Windsurf also we can do. But first you learn one. And MCP.
Oh, yeah. Learn one is good for me. Yeah.
And this is
Currently.
the
Then,
MCP.
when I expert, yeah. Oh,
This
MCP,
MCP
using
also
MCP.
I will
Oh,
show
it
you.
will cover later, isn't it? Okay, got it.
No, whenever you want, we can cover model
Yeah.
context protocol. Okay. First you try to understand. MCP will do everything easy for you. You no need to understand these are all things. If you know just English, you can do that. Got it?
No, yeah, no, not for the English. Opposite way can we write it? Whenever we are writing program, it's checking program and adding step for that. Is it possible?
Can you come again?
Now, not like when not I'm not telling English. I'm telling go username, add this one. If I'm okay, write program, then using that program, writing test few steps. Is it possible, or is it opposite only possible?
So you want to write a program. Using that program,
Yeah,
it tries to create the test steps and all.
yeah.
It has
Is
to
it possible? Yeah,
program means not the program. There is a file called MD file, .md file.
yeah,
You have to create
yeah.
just MD file. In that MD file, it is just general English. There is no program is required. You have to write the general English. What do you want to do? And you can give that file to the Copilot, GitHub Copilot with MCP. So then it will do that. I will show that one day. You can understand like what I am saying. And if it is something different, we can go ahead.
Okay,
Hmm?
got it.
What I am saying is uh, better than what you are asking. Okay. So the way you are asking,
Yeah.
you want to write a code to create a code, generate a code. That is again you have to write a generate a code, right? So that is why. So we'll see that. Okay. If
Yeah.
you
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I'm asking different way. We wrote lots of in this program. Can I get steps for this program? That's what I was not asking. I can manually write, go to launch this one, identify like that.
okay,
Can
that
I
is the
get this one
inline.
as a
That no, no, that is the inline comments, right? For example, for me July 1st is came, na? So my code is
yeah?
come already inline comments. I understand.
Okay.
Understand. Initially, I showed you that one, right? Initially, I showed you
Yeah.
was explaining the JavaScript. Yeah, now I can show
Yeah.
that also. Now I can show that also. Okay, just you see.
Okay.
See now in this also.
Yeah.
This also close the page. Okay, close the page.
Yeah.
Now it is came. I'm not written. Just I
Okay. Got
close
it.
the code. It is came. This is called the inline comment. Inline code suggestion.
Comments.
Called the inline code
Yeah.
suggestion. So this is just like with the, I mean, whatever I have GitHub Copilot, it has a capability to give the inline code suggestions. So that is, it is giving all.
Yeah.
But there is some
Yeah.
capacity. Initially in the free,
Yeah.
give some lines of code only. If you want,
Yeah.
you have to buy it, some $10 or
Yeah.
so then it will give that.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Okay.
Got it. Yeah.
This is done. Then this is what we are doing, drag and drop in the first option. This is the first option. Okay. I can go with the second option. We need to see all the options because it is the many options we have in this. Otherwise, it will not work. This is the option one. The option two. This is the option two. So option two is, we are already tried option two. No, we are not tried. So option two is like this. Okay. Let me copy this fully and put it here. So option one, I'm just commenting.
Mm.
So that like, so this is the option two.
Yeah.
This one is not required.
Yeah.
It's not required because we are already uncommented this. Now, if you
Yeah.
see here, if you see here, this also not required, right? Okay, but let it be. This one, this is the test.
Yeah.
This drag and drop example. This is the drag and drop using the page dot drag and drop. Okay, this is different.
Yeah.
Drag and drop using drag and drop method. Okay, drag and drop. Here we tried drag to. What is this? What is the method? Drag to method. With the drag to method. Example underscore drag to using the drag to. Here drag and
Yeah.
directly drag and drop method. So for that, if you see, you are just going to this website. You are just going to this website, and then in the one line itself, page dot drag and drop, this is the source, this is the target. Here we are created
Yeah.
separate source and target, and we are added here source dot drag to of target, right? So here
Yeah.
it's different, page dot drag and drop, and this is the source, this is the target. So here what
Target.
source export, sorry, locator, this is the source locator, the same thing I given.
Yeah.
This is the
This is the target locator.
target one I given. So this is what, if you see here, if you
Yeah.
mouse here, you can understand here. Source, string, target, string. So it means this is the
Yeah.
source locator. This is the target locator. That's it.
Yes.
Now expect page dot draggable dot to contain text dropped. So whether it is done or not, we are verifying using the to contain text. To contain
Yeah.
text. So what is
Text.
that? It is a dropped. So like this, it is there. This is the second one. So let me run this
Yeah.
and drop spec. Drag and drop. This is the drop down, right? Sorry. See, it is already dragged. Okay.
Yeah. Got it.
Very quickly it is done. Of course. It is done very quickly. If you want, you can put a wait and you can see that what it is doing also. So
Yeah. Maybe with slow motion.
yeah, and you can see the results, right? We start to see the test results. Okay.
Yeah.
This folder is empty.
Yeah, because when we didn't stay for if it
No,
is
no. In
past also.
E2E. No, no. In E2E, I guess. In E2E folder, in E2E folder, there is a test results, right? Where it is storing. Hmm. Okay, we'll check tomorrow. Then I will check
Yeah.
and tell you tomorrow.
Yeah, I want to get report. Can we get report for if it is passed also, failed also? Anyway, report.
Yes, yes, it is coming actually. But why playwright report? Yeah, yeah. If you see here under this playwright report, it is there. Yeah, if you see here, this is the one. This is the drag and drop using drag and drop. This is
Can
what we
yeah,
do. If you click this, it is coming each step. If it is before hooks,
read each slide.
navigating it,
Yeah.
drag and drop. This is we are navigating. After that drag and drop step, drag and drop dot spec. Sorry, drag and drop and expect and the after hooks. What is this hooks? We will discuss in the next class. What is this hooks also? We will discuss in the next class. Okay. So
Okay, that's fine.
we are not given any hooks. That is what it is default. It is taking,
Yeah.
but we can give some
Yeah.
steps. So first we need to run many tests in a one file. For that you can give a hooks actually. For example, if you are running 10 tests, 10 tests for the
Yeah.
application, for all tests you want to do a login, right? So you don't
Yeah.
need to write all the time 10 times. You can run one place and you can call that. That is called the hook here. And you don't need to
Yeah.
log out all the time. You don't need to write the code for the log out all the time. You can use the after hooks. This is the before hooks,
Yeah.
after hooks.
After.
All those things we can see.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So
Got.
you saw this. All the results are there. So you can go and see always. This is the path. Playwright with
Yeah.
JavaScript, playwright report, playwright report. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, now going to the third option. We'll go to the third option also. Option 3. Okay. We'll go to the third option. This is the third option. Okay. If you see here,
Yeah.
what is the method we are using here? This also not required. This we need. Right. So drag
Yeah.
in iframe, drag and drop it.
Yeah.
This is something like a different kind of objects. Iframes are there. If there is a frame
Yeah.
application, sometimes the same method what we used above may not work, may not work. So in that case, how
Mm.
that? Right. This is what drag and drop in iframe.
What
So
is frame
the frame
locator?
in the application, for example, if you see here, this is the application, right? Let's go this. Let's go this and see. Yeah. If you see here, what we are going to do
Yeah.
in this application, we are going to do the drag and drag. See, drag
Yeah.
locator of draggable dot drag to this locator. But this is the same like here, drag to only. But what is the difference is only the locator part. So what we are doing here, frame dot locator of this draggable. Here, what is the locator? Just page dot locator of draggable. Here we are taking
Mm.
the frame dot locator. What is the frame? So first one line 38 you have to understand. What is this page dot frame locator of demo frame? How it is coming? So for
Mm.
example, this is one frame. This box is one frame.
Okay, got it.
It's defined like a one frame. They are defined like
Respect.
a frame. If you see here, I frame you see. You see here?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
click on
Same.
when you put here your mouse, when you hover your mouse, you are able to see left
Yeah.
side one section that is called the iframe. This is called the iframe.
Yeah.
You can see on top also iframe dot demo iframe, right? So this is called the frame.
Yeah.
If you are if the
Yeah.
method is created under the frame, you have to write the locator also using the frame. Otherwise, it may not identify the object. Directly you cannot
Yeah.
make the object. This is called
Yeah.
frame. Okay. Yeah. If you see here, right click, view frame source is coming here. View frame sources.
Mm.
For example, if I put here, see here frame came. For example, if I put a right click here in this place,
No.
there is
Yeah.
only
Got
which
it.
page source is coming and inspect is coming.
Yeah.
Whereas if you are doing
No. The
right click here, you are getting a frame
view
source.
frame source.
For
Yeah.
example,
Got it.
in whatever object you want to find the locator, just right click and
Yeah.
see whether it is inside the frame or outside the frame. For example, if it is
Okay. Got it.
outside the frame, you can go with as it is. But if it is inside the
Yeah.
frame, you have to take the frame also. You have to consider the frame.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will get angry.
Yeah.
It will get angry and
Yeah.
okay. So this is the option.
Yeah.
This is the easy way to understand there is a reload frame or view frame. These options will come if there is a frame. Otherwise, it will not come.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, for this, what is the code I written? Frame is equal page
Frame locator.
frame locator of demo frame. So what is the name of this?
Yeah.
This is demo frame. Demo frame.
Yeah.
The,
Class.
the class name is demo frame. So dot
Yeah.
dot demo frame means the class is demo
Yeah.
frame. Dot means this frame's locator we are giving. This is also an object.
Yeah.
For that, in the CSS, ID or ID or class or whatever you want attribute or we can give, right? Here I'm given a class,
Yeah.
a demo frame. So first you identified the frame. After that,
Yeah.
under that frame, what you want to do? The object. What is the object? This is the object, drag. This is the object drag. So this drag, right?
Yeah.
For this, what is the
Yeah.
locator given? Draggable. So for this, the ID
Yeah.
is draggable, right? ID is draggable.
Yeah.
And for this, ID is droppable. For this,
It's
ID is droppable.
droppable.
But both are under the one frame. Both are under the.
Yeah.
So that is why this is the locator we are taken. And frame dot locator. This is the new code of draggable and frame dot locator of droppable. This is the drag to. This is the drag to. I can
Yeah.
drag this easily. You can understand. So this is the
Yeah.
dot drag to of this locator. And here you can do
Yeah.
like this also. Here you can do
Yeah.
like this also. How it is? How it is? Constant source. What is the source? What is the source? Frame dot locator of this. Like this you can write.
Mm.
This is the source. This is the source.
Yeah.
Right? And what is the target? This is the target. And what you can write?
Yeah.
Code. The code you can change to like this also. Wait.
Mm.
Source dot drag to of target. The same
Good.
code you can do.
Yeah.
Source dot
Yeah.
drag to of target. Like this also you
Yes.
easily to understand. Right? And here
Yeah.
target dot contains text of drop. So this way also you can
Yes.
easily. Okay, let's run this.
Yeah.
Run this. We'll go to test and drag and drop, right? This is the drag and drop running. So which option we are trying now? Third option.
Yeah.
See, it is dragged. So
Yeah. It's dragged and dropped.
dragged and dropped. Dragged and dropped. Right?
Yeah.
This is the one way we can do. Close this. You want to run this code?
Yes, please.
Let me send this code. This third option you want to send this.
Actually, I want everything.
Everything means it
Could
will,
have been good.
I will
Yeah. Then.
add one by one. Okay. So you
Yeah. Sure. Please.
uncomment this and try. Okay. You
Yeah. Sure. It's already uncovered. Yeah.
okay. This is the option one, and these two are
Thank
options
you.
three.
One drag and drop. One. Okay. Then second options. First option. Second options. Second option. Yeah. Okay. Got it. I got whole program. Let me run also. Execute. Come to here. Drag and drop. Execute. Page opened. Yeah, it did. Passed. It's so quick. It passed, but I can see. But I put slow mode. That's right. Still, it's fast.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so with this today we can close the call, and tomorrow we
Yeah.
can discuss remaining few things. Okay, I will. Yeah. So you need to know the fetching different ways. We saw a few things, but all together at one place very quickly. I will explain. Fetching the text, fetching the title, and fetching the some other things, right? So all those things we
Mm.
can do in one way, and validations also
Mm.
different ways. We need to do the validations, and also like
Uh-huh.
drop downs also is there. Something like a different types of drop downs, like how we did see the drag and drop today, and also like scrolling we are not even touched. So how to do the
Mm.
scroll, so these are all things also we can do it, and then we will start
Yeah.
working over some sample application testing and all. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
stop sharing.
Thank you. Tomorrow morning class or evening?
uh tomorrow. Okay, what do you want tomorrow, morning or evening?
I think it is a morning and brain should be like good.
The most probably
7:30 to 8:30
most probably tomorrow
possible.
morning only. Okay, I
Okay.
will go
If it
after.
is anything
Yeah,
problem.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.